はい、では皆さんこんにちは。Today we're looking at how to talk about prohibition. How do we say in Japanese, you mustn't or you shouldn't do something? Now, in essence, there is really just one grammar structure, but by remembering two other vocabs, you are able to say the same thing in three different ways. So it's one grammar structure that can grow into three grammar structures. Okay, so let's have a look first. Before we get started, make sure you have your exercise book ready and let's copy down the notes. Now, so the notes, the heading for the notes is prohibition, saying you mustn't or you shouldn't. Now, underneath that, I would like you to take down the following three vocabs. Now, these three words all mean the same thing. They all mean it's not good, you mustn't do something, or it is no use, it's no good. And the three words are the following. Repeat after me. いけません。いけません。なりません。なりません。ダメです。ダメです。Okay, so the first word, いけません. Okay, now unfortunately, even though it sounds like a negative form of the verb, and in fact it is, it's the negative form of ikemas, but it doesn't mean that ikemasen means no good, and therefore ikemas means it's good. It's not. Unfortunately, it is one of the words that you just have to remember it in a negative form. So ikemasen means no good. You mustn't do something. Okay, you can literally use this as a standalone sentence. If someone did something naughty, okay, you can tell them off and say, hey, ikemasen, you can't do that. Okay, that's not good. Someone's trying to jump over the fence. Ikemasen. You can say to them, ikemasen. Now, ikemasen is a very neutral word that simply means it's not good. If you use the other version, which is narimasen, okay, narimasen sounds a little bit more bookish. It is often the kind of language you will find on official documents or public display signs, okay? So if you go to museums or if you read the law book, okay, one mustn't do something, the 10 commands, you shall not steal, it's most likely you will see this version, narimasen, because narimasen is just a more bookish form of ikemasen. Okay, the third one, dame desu. Now, dame desu, you often hear it being used by parents, okay, parents telling off the kids, dame, dame, that's no good, don't do it, stop, okay. And it's also not uncommon that when you go to the parks, you see a lot of dog owners saying that to their dogs. Damn it, no, don't do it. No, don't. Okay? So dame desu is another version of saying it's not good, you mustn't do something, but it's often used on children, such as yourself. So ikemasen, narimasen, dame desu. They're all the same thing. If you hear them in a sentence, it has something to do with telling people you shouldn't do it. Okay? So, what does the actual grammar structure look like? Let's move on and copy down. So the grammar structure to say you mustn't do something or you shouldn't do something looks like this. And that is pretty much it. It involves the verb in a te form. So whatever that you're telling people you shouldn't do, you have to change that into the te form, followed by a wa particle, the wa marker. The wa is for emphasis. Okay, you're saying as for this action. Okay, you're emphasizing on the action, and then you tell them it is not good. Okay, so the action you're emphasizing on, it's no good. Therefore, you mustn't do it, and you shouldn't do it. So in the future, I'll be referring to this grammar structure as the te wa ikemasen form. Te wa ikemasen. Okay, repeat after me. Te wa ikemasen. Te wa ikemasen. Te wa ikemasen. Hey, well, are you wondering, how about the other two words, narimasen, dame desu? That's right. You can simply replace ikemasen with narimasen if you want to come across as more strict or harsh sounding or more bookish sounding. Or you can replace ikemasen with dame desu if you think you're talking to someone who's either your friend or who are younger than you. Okay, so te wa ikemasen can then be used as te wa narimasen or te wa dame desu. Now, for the purpose of this for this year, in terms of speaking and writing, you really only need to produce te wa ikemasen. Okay, that's all you need to know. However, though, For the listening and reading section, you do need to understand that 手はなりません and 手はダメです all mean the same thing. So let's have a go at a few examples. Okay, we're going to do about 4 before we go to our individual exercise. Okay, now, how do you tell these kids? You shouldn't play video games. Okay, now have a think about the answer. If you think you know you've got the answer, continue with the video to find out what the answer is. Otherwise, please press pause so you have some thinking time. The answer is テレビゲームをしてはいけません. Now, of course, you can say テレビゲームをしてはダメです because they're kids. Okay, but if you want to make it official and write a rule on the wall, テレビゲームをしてはなりません. Okay, to sound a lot harsher. All right, let's try the next example. Oh, sorry, the answer's provided for you already. You shouldn't drink alcohol. Now, アルコール, you haven't done that word yet, it's alcohol. Or osake, you know sake, right? Sake is Japanese wine, but it is also used to refer to alcohol in general. お酒を飲んではいけません. アルコールを飲んではいけません. All right. Now the next one is you shall not enter. And what is to enter? That's right, it is 入ります. 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 So what's the type of 入ります? Correct. It is 入って. 入って. And we continue with は入ってはいけません. 入ってはいけません. Okay, now that's the last example. Now imagine you're doing exams and during the reading time, you mustn't write anything down. You mustn't write. And what's to write in the te form? You're correct. It is 書いて. So you shouldn't write. It is 書いてはいけません. Or 書いてはなりません. Or 書いてはダメです. So that is it. I hope this is self-explanatory to you. And that concludes our last grammar structure for Unit 3. So 皆さん、よくできました. Okay, please finish the video and go on to the next exercise. はい、さようなら.